Hi viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today we're going to talk about flirting. Phrases, or better still expressions that you can use when you're about to flirt with somebody in Nigerian Pidgin English. Come along with me. You get very nice smile. You suppose to smile more often. You dey remind me of Julia Roberts. Say anyone don't tell you say you look like Denzel Washington? Say anyone don't tell you say you look like Denzel Washington? Wetin be your zodiac sign? You get boyfriend? You get girlfriend? You dey see anyone? I dey surprised say person wey fine like you no dey see anyone. You dey come here often? You go like dance? You go like go somewhere else? E dey loud here, abi? E dey loud small here, abi? I fit call you sometime. We suppose go out sometime. You dey nice to talk to. I really like to talk to you. When I fit see you again? I for really like to see you again. You dey like a very nice person. You dey attractive. I dey sure say dem dey tell you this a lot. Omo, you set die. You look sweet oh.